one clean strand of your hair. Low porosity hair has highly packed cuticles. Water droplets stays on your hair. Hello lovely ladies, welcome back to Mrs. Prosperitas. Have you ever wondered why some hair products such as hair oil or shampoo or some other treatments work really well for one person but don't suit someone else's hair? This happens because just like we have different skin types, we have different hair types also based on their porosity. So in this video, I'll share some information about different types of hair porosity, and I will also share a complete hair care routine for low porosity hair. So let's start. So what does porosity means? Porosity word comes from porous. Let me explain with an example. Think about a sponge. A sponge has many pores in it. Similarly, our hair has also pores, which are also called as cuticles. If your hair pores are larger or more open, then your hair absorbs moisture very easily, but it also loses the moisture quickly because of its open pore. So this type of hair is called high porosity hair. If your hair pores are tightly packed, it takes more time for your hair to absorb moisture. However, once moisture is absorbed, it doesn't escape easily. So this type of hair is called low porosity hair. Third type of hair is where moisture absorption and moisture loss occurred at a balanced and normal rate. This type of hair is called medium porosity hair. If you want to know which category your hair falls into, then you can try these three tests. First, float test. Do this on the day you wash your hair. Take one clean strand of your hair and place it in a transparent glass of water for 10 minutes. If it floats on the top, then you have low porosity hair. If it floats in the middle, then you have medium porosity hair. And if it sinks at the bottom, then you have high porosity hair. Second, spray test. Fill a spray bottle with water and spray it on your hair. If the water droplets stays on your hair and takes a high amount of time to get wet, then you have low porosity hair. If the droplets are absorbed quickly, then you have high porosity hair. And if the absorption is normal, then you have medium porosity hair. Third, wetting test. When you wet your hair before shampooing, observe how long it takes to become fully wet. If it takes longer than usual, then you have low porosity hair. If it gets wet easily, then it is high porosity hair. And if it takes normal amount of time, then you have medium porosity hair. Today I'll focus on low porosity hair care. We will discuss high porosity hair care in some other video. Since low porosity hair has highly packed cuticles, first we need to open them slightly so that moisture can penetrate into the hair shaft. Otherwise, any product you use, be it shampoo, oil, it will simply sit on the surface. Because low porosity hair has highly packed cuticles, so oil does not penetrate easily. Slightly warm your hair oil using double boiler method before applying it. This improves absorption and helps lock in moisture. Avoid heavy oils. Lightweight oils such as argan oil, rosemary oil, grapeseed oil, almond oil are better options. Oils rich in fatty acids and vitamins are very beneficial for low porosity hair. And if you want to use heavier oils such as coconut oil or castor oil, then you can use 5 to 6 drops of heavy oil in a lightweight carrier oil. Before shampooing your hair, wet your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water to open its cuticles. Then apply shampoo. Warm water open the cuticles, shampoo cleans the scalp, and rinsing it with cold water helps the cuticle close again. Low porosity hair is prone to product buildup, hence mild Ayurvedic or natural shampoo may not remove a product buildup effectively. Clarifying shampoo is often a better choice for low porosity hair. Apply conditioner before shampoo to prevent excessive buildup. Heavy products are not recommended for low porosity hair. However, you may use lightweight mask once a week. Avoid masks that contain protein. If you choose to use protein mask, then limit it to once a month. Using a heat cap or wrapping your hair with hot towel helps open the cuticle and improve product absorption. Always apply a small amount of argan oil to slightly damp hair for better results. Regular trimming is important for everyone to maintain good healthy hair. But for low porosity hair, it is a must. You must do it once a month. So, low porosity girls, once you understand your hair porosity type, everything changed. Because when your hair feels healthy, you feel more confident. You pose very confidently. You show up very confidently. And that's exactly why next step after this routine is styling the whole look. So in my next video, I'm taking you guys along as I shop for affordable beach vacation outfit online and in store. We are building full vacation ready looks from head to toe. Healthy hair, cute outfits, confident energy. Make sure you don't miss it because this vacation glow up is just started.